Hello, my friends. Today I want to answer one question, which people they are asking several time about rain money. Some people they are just saying, "Is rain money legit? Is the rain money really?" But today I have the answer. The rain money is not legit, and it is not true. And my advice to you: don't waste your time, don't waste your mobile data, don't waste your and let's just say time, since you can make some cash via rain money, but you cannot withdraw them. Let's look at an example. Okay, this just I made this on this few cash within 2 days, but the problem I cannot withdraw them. You know, just look at an example here. You can they say that you have to complete this task, but the minimum withdraw or cash out is just look this. Yeah, they said I have reached 73% for cash out, but I have already to 200 USD. Let me try to cash out. Okay, payment method. I prefer to use PayPal. Then I agree the term area. Then I try to cash out. You know, purpose today to ensure so some stupid questions and some stupid explanation. But the issue here they say I have to complete some tasks and surveys. I don't know survey task, survey apps and so forth. So you see, this is task which I have to complete so that I can earn some cash. But the problem with this, referral friends already there, get clicks or clicks already there, complete survey. The problem is here. There is no survey to complete so that you can have 100% to withdraw the cash. You see, there is no a survey. Okay. Another problem with this rain money, they are just telling you to create an YouTube video to say that rain money is legit, while it is not true. Okay, so my advice to you is this: rain money is not legit. It is not true. Don't waste your money. No. Don't waste your time. Don't even waste your mobile data. Okay, find another way which you can make some money online. Okay, we can make some cash by a lot of using a lot of I don't know a lot of methods you can make money online. But next time I'll show you the best way to make money online. If you're interested in this, you can do. Thank you, but don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I've got another a new way to make money online. Okay, okay. Thank you and bye.